Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a before and after tune-up video for Dale in Indiana on his Connex CX-46 Turbo N1. Dale, just want to show you what it's kind of doing right now. Start with the RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. It's getting about 8 watts. Hello, 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 hello. Swinging to 12 bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it's pegging at the 250 watt scale. So we'll go to the 500. Hello, hello. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 hello. About 280 or so. Just ain't got no bird watts. Let's turn that back up. There's 56 all the way up. Hello, 1, 2, swinging backwards. Swinging backwards. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hello, hello, hello. 275, 280. And the talkback doesn't sound too bad. We'll clean it up a little more too, but sounds good through the driver extreme mic. All right, Dale, we're gonna get to this thing, get you all fixed up. We shall return.
Get your truck rise tuned today. Truck rise.
All right, Dale, we got her all ready to go here, bud. Let's get right to it. I'm gonna start the RF power all the way down. We're running one of our SRE 198 mics that's wideband modded. Start the RF power all the way down. Once again, 100 watt slug. There's your 5 watts, okay? Before we were twitching forward just about a watt or two. Low audio. What about that? About 20 bird average from a 5 watt carrier. Actually, no, I believe that's 40. What's wrong with me? Hello, hello, oh. Yeah, about 40. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 audio, audio, audio. Over 300 watts. RF power wide open. 50 watts. Low audio. 100 bird average. 500 watt slug and peak. Hello, 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 hello. 300 watts plus. Turn this on.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Sounding great. All right, well, there you go, my friend. We're going to get it out to you, Dale, from your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get wise and get truck rise today.